Okay, so in this set of tutorials, these are going to be little quick tutorials about Scratch, and they're all going to be little skills that will help you improve, particularly your Scratch games. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is how to upload sprites that aren't ours, basically, or aren't on the system already, not aren't ours. They're not on the system already. So when you go to Scratch, you click on Scratch, you can add a sprite, like this one, and you've got to set pre-made sprites. Now we can actually add our own sprites. So what I'm going to do, now you could do this with a picture you've created yourself, or you could do it with a picture on the internet. So I'm going to look for a spaceship on the internet. Okay, and now I'm going to get an image of a spaceship that I want to use for my game. Now it's quite good to get a spaceship that has or a picture that has one color around the background, because you can kind of get rid of that color. So let's go. If I look at spaceships, I've got a rocket spaceship there. So I'm looking up and down. I'm trying to find a spaceship. Let's go, say, for this limited gold edition rocket spaceship. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save the image file. So I save the image file. I'm going to go. I'm just going to go to my desktop. Okay, you can save it somewhere else. So I'm going to save this as gold spaceship. Okay, so I've saved that file. Now, obviously, if you're going to share your games, you've got to think about copyright. If it's just for yourself, then it doesn't really matter. Now I'm going to go back onto Scratch, and this time I'm going to choose Upload Sprite. So I choose Upload Sprite. I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to look, there's Gold Spaceship, and I'm going to open my Gold Spaceship. Brilliant, there we go, and my Gold Spaceship is there as a sprite. Let's make it slightly smaller. Okay, now you might think, that's great, it's done. Now the problem is the background is still there. So we go for the backdrops, and let's just make a backdrop, just a purple backdrop for instance. You can see I've still got a white background on my shape. Now the reason I said one color is I can fill that as transparent as see-through. I go to my Gold Spaceship, I choose the fill tool, I'm going to click the arrow, I'm going to choose this line through here which is transparent. Click on the background, and that will make the background transparent. That'll fill that area transparent, and there we go. I've got my transparent spaceship that I can do whatever I want with. Now, obviously, mine's got these little bits of white around there. I might want to clean that up. Might not. It's up to you. But that's basically the way that you get a picture from Google or from the internet, download it, and pop it in as a sprite.